Have you ever wondered if developing leadership skills is actually easier than you think? Stick around because today we're going to explore some strategies that can help you fast-track your leadership development journey. Leadership skills play a crucial role in both our personal and professional lives. Whether you're leading a team at work or striving to become a better version of yourself, honing your leadership abilities is essential. In this video, we'll discuss some effective strategies that can help you enhance your leadership skills quickly and efficiently. Developing leadership skills is essential for personal and professional growth. Whether you are aiming to lead a team, manage a project, or simply inspire others, effective leadership can make a significant impact. This guide provides strategies to develop leadership skills quickly and effectively. 1. Understanding leadership. 1.1 What is leadership? Definition. Leadership is the ability to guide, inspire, and influence others towards achieving common goals. Key components: vision, communication, motivation, and decision-making. 1.2 Importance of leadership skills. Career advancement. Strong leadership skills are highly valued in the workplace and can lead to career growth. Team performance. Effective leadership improves team cohesion and productivity. Personal development. Leadership skills contribute to personal growth and self-confidence. 2. Self-assessment and goal setting. 2.1 Self-assessment. Identify strengths. Determine your current strengths as a leader. Recognize weaknesses. Identify areas where you need improvement. Feedback. Seek feedback from peers, mentors, and team members. 2.2 Goal setting. Specific goals. Set clear and specific leadership development goals. Measurable outcomes. Define measurable outcomes to track progress. Time-bound objectives. Set deadlines to achieve your leadership goals. 3. Core leadership skills. 3.1 Communication. Active listening. Practice active listening to understand others' perspectives. Clear articulation. Learn to articulate your ideas clearly and concisely. Nonverbal communication. Be aware of body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. 3.2 Decision-making. Critical thinking. Develop critical thinking skills to analyze situations and make informed decisions. Problem solving. Learn problem-solving techniques to address challenges effectively. Decisiveness. Practice making decisions confidently and quickly. 3.3 Emotional intelligence. Self-awareness. Increase self-awareness to understand your emotions and their impact on others. Empathy. Develop empathy to connect with others and build strong relationships. Stress management. Learn to manage stress and maintain composure under pressure. 3.4 Delegation task allocation. Assign tasks based on team members' strengths and skills. Trust. Build trust by empowering others and giving them responsibility. Follow up. Monitor progress and provide feedback to ensure tasks are completed effectively. 3.5 Conflict resolution mediation skills. Learn mediation techniques to resolve conflicts amicably. Negotiation. Develop negotiation skills to find mutually beneficial solutions. Active listening. Use active listening to understand the root cause of conflicts. 4. Practical strategies for developing leadership skills. 4.1 Seek leadership opportunities. Volunteer for projects. Take on leadership roles in projects at work or in your community. Lead meetings. Offer to lead team meetings or brainstorming sessions. Mentorship. Mentor junior colleagues to develop your leadership skills. 4.2 Continuous learning courses and workshops. Enroll in leadership development courses and workshops. Books and articles. Read books and articles on leadership to gain new insights. Podcasts and webinars. Listen to leadership podcasts and attend webinars. 4.3 Networking. Join professional organizations. Become a member of professional organizations related to your field. Attend conferences. Participate in conferences and networking events. Connect with leaders. Build relationships with experienced leaders and learn from them. 4.4 Reflect and improve self-reflection. Regularly reflect on your leadership experiences and identify areas for improvement. Feedback loop. Establish a feedback loop with peers and mentors to receive constructive feedback. Adapt and adjust. Be willing to adapt your leadership style based on feedback and experiences. Leadership in action. Real-world applications. 5.1 Leading teams. Team building. Foster a collaborative team environment and encourage open communication. Motivation. Use motivational techniques to inspire and energize your team. Performance management. Monitor team performance and provide regular feedback. 5.2 Managing projects, planning. Develop comprehensive project plans with clear goals and milestones. Execution. Ensure effective execution by delegating tasks and monitoring progress. Evaluation. Evaluate project outcomes and learn from successes and failures. 5.3 Organizational leadership. Vision and strategy. Develop and communicate a clear vision and strategy for your organization. Change management. Lead organizational change initiatives and manage resistance. Culture building. Create a positive organizational culture that aligns with your values and vision. 6. Case studies and examples. 6.1 Successful leaders. Steve Jobs, visionary leadership and innovation at Apple. Nelson Mandela, inspirational leadership and resilience in the fight against apartheid. Indra Nooyi, transformational leadership at PepsiCo. 6.2 Lessons learned, failures and comebacks. Learn from leaders who faced failures and made successful comebacks. Leadership styles. Understand different leadership styles and their impact on organizations. 7. Tools and resources for leadership development. 7.1 Online courses and platforms. Coursera offers courses on leadership and management from top universities. LinkedIn Learning provides a wide range of leadership development courses. Harvard Business Review. Access articles and resources on leadership. 7.2 Books and publications. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. Essential Principles for Personal and Professional Effectiveness. Leaders Eat Last by Simon Sinek. Insights into building trust and inspiring teams. Drive by Daniel H. Pink explores the science of motivation and its application in leadership. 7.3 Leadership assessments. Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, understand your personality type and leadership style. StrengthsFinder, identify your strengths and how to leverage them in leadership. Emotional Intelligence EQ assessment, measure and improve your emotional intelligence. Finally, developing leadership skills quickly requires a combination of self-assessment, goal setting, and practical strategies. By actively seeking opportunities to lead, continuously learning, and applying effective techniques, you can enhance your leadership abilities and make a significant impact in your personal and professional life. Remember, leadership is not just about guiding others, it's about inspiring and empowering them to achieve their best. Start your journey to becoming a successful leader today and unlock your full potential. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more leadership content and hit the like button to show your support. Feel free to share your own experiences or tips on developing leadership skills in the comments below. Together, we can inspire and empower each other to become the leaders we aspire to be. Thanks for watching.